My name is Timothy Miller. I am the founder and president of Business Development Associates, and my session will be how to quick launch into commercial restoration. I promise you that you will have a comprehensive understanding of what it's going to take to be successful in the commercial market. It really is more than just some tactics or some ideas. We start from a fundamental understanding of the marketing strategy so that you can be different and better than the competition. Then really understanding what it takes to build a commercial sales program. The sales process is incredibly important, and how to hire and develop the salespeople necessary to execute this at a high level. One of the things that many restorers are concerned about is the impact of TPAs on their business from a profitability standpoint, but also a cash flow standpoint. And commercial work currently is largely free from the TPA influence. So this is a very important revenue stream for many restorers to be thinking about, because it'll allow them to drive the growth of their own business rather than relying on TPAs, or for that matter, weather or good luck. This program will also talk about how to manage salespeople so that they can be held accountable, so that they're making money for themselves as well as driving revenue for your company. And also another important differentiator is a new type of ERP that we'll be talking about extensively that will be new and different and add all kinds of value to what you're already offering and be a major component of your differentiation strategy.